Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essential prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. First, confirm the machine is on the correct voltage and the main breaker is on. Once done, open the access panel by removing the 4 screws, place them in a labeled bag so nothing gets lost. Next, attach an ESD strap and prep your multimeter and Torx bits. Make sure to disable any network links or I/O to avoid spurious errors. Now, you're ready to move into the internal sequence. You continue by performing the complex middle steps that actually unlock the machine. Begin at the control board, label every connector and take a photo for reference, then gently disconnect only what's necessary. Next, apply a 3V test pulse to the designated override pin for 2 to 3 seconds while watching LED patterns. These indicate lock state. Once the hardware responds, open the console, send the unlock command string, and verify the firmware checksum. If the checksum fails, repeat verification before proceeding. You finish by completing the final steps and one key troubleshooting tip. Reassemble the panel, torquing screws evenly and reconnecting cables exactly as your photos show. Apply full power and watch the boot logs. Make sure the actuator moves and sensors return expected values. If the machine still reports locked or errors, isolate the suspect module and swap with a known good spare to narrow the fault. Capture serial logs and error codes. This single log file is what you will provide to the vendor if you need external support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.